everybody, I wanted to stop in and show you everything that I got in my Ipsy box for the month of June. So let's open it up and I'll show you all my choices. Alright, you open it on up and this is what it looks like. It says make bold moves. Alright, right here on top we have got the Greek yogurt serum. It's microbiome technology. It's the Coors. It is the Coors Greek yogurt serum. And let's open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, so fancy looking. It's in a glass bottle. I love the dropper. Looks like a really rich serum. And I've not tried anything from this brand, so I'm really excited to give it a try. It says apply morning and evening immediately after cleansing prior to moisturizing, avoiding the eye area. So it is a probiotic skin supplement serum. It is made in Greece. Oh, that's the first I've seen. It is 93.7% natural origin content. It is powered by Greek yogurt. Delivers an instant smoothing, cooling sensation with a super dose of probiotic extracts to nourish skin. So, super excited to try this serum out. Then next we have the, it is the Conga eyeliners, and it comes in the colors both black and brown. So you get one of each in here. I do like that they have one of each in these boxes. I've again not tried anything. It says it's the Alamar Cosmetics. Alamar Cosmetics, and then these are the Conga liners. They are 2 ultra creamy waterproof pencil liners. So let's get these out of here and give them a try. We'll start out. This is what it looks like. We are going to try the black. Ooh, very smooth and rich. I love that. And then we've got the brown. Oh, let's twist it up. Is it a twist up? Okay, let's swatch the brown. Oh, I love that that is like a true brown. It's not like a black brown. So that's going to look really good with my green eyes. So I'm really excited to give that a try. But I do really love the ultra smooth formula that these are. I think it's going to be absolutely perfect for if you really struggle with getting precision with an actual liner like this, then this is really going, this formula will really help you get that precision that you need. Okay, and then up next is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer, and I got the color 6 Neutral, and I think it's going to be a good color for me. I was kind of worried that it wouldn't be, but I think it actually is. Ooh, I love the packaging. Very nice packaging. And it looks like it is almost, okay, looks like it's going to have really good coverage. It almost has a dewy finish to it, which I love. I love having a dewy finish concealer because it brings that extra brightness underneath your eye. But yeah, that does look like it's going to be a really good color for me. And I really love the serum type feel to it. It's actually really smoothing. It melts into the skin, so it doesn't like just sit heavy on top of your skin. It's gonna soak right in and become one with your skin and give you that brightness and dewiness that you need in those darker areas. Up next is the Yensa Super Serum Silk Bronzing Drops. So I'm really excited about these. I don't have any bronzing drops, and I've seen a lot of people incorporate these into their makeup routine, and I really want to give it a go. So it says powered by 8 super black essence, coconut oil, bacla oil, ferulic acid, and the serum. And this serum gives a sun-kissed bronze glow with subtle shimmer. It says use this as your final step in your skincare routine or mix with your moisturizer or foundation for a bronzy glow. I've seen a lot of people put these on in the areas that they want to be bronzy underneath their foundation and everything else. So I'm going to be giving that a go. So I love Yensa. I've tried this brand 100 times and I love everything from them. So excited to try these in my makeup routine. Alright, last but not least, we have the Morphe SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sun Setter Setting Spray. That is a mouthful. I'm really excited about this. I need a really good setting spray, and I love that this one has SPF 30 in it. And I'm so excited to use this. Let's see if it has a gentle spray. The one I'm using right now has like one of those aggressive sprays that like freaking take your face off. But I'm hoping this has a gentle spray, so let's see. Oh yes, so much better. It's got a really fine mist. So has a light sunscreen smell, but nothing too much. So I think it's going to be really great. So I'm really excited to use that. But this is everything in my Ipsy box for the month of June. I'll say this was a pretty good month. I'm really excited to use all these things. I'm really excited about these. Like normally when I get eyeliners, I'm really not all that excited because it's just an eyeliner, but this has such a smooth formula that I'm super excited to use it. And the other stuff is just perfect for summer. We got our light dewy coverage in our concealer. We've got a smoothing hydrating serum, bronzing drops, which I really need some bronzing in my life, so I think that is going to help a lot with that. And then a great setting spray with SPF. So what a great box. I'm super stoked to use all these products. What did you get in your Ipsy box? If you get Ipsy, let me know in the comments down below what you got. And if you don't receive Ipsy but you want to sign up, I'll put the link down below in the description box so that you can do so. And if you want to see me using these products, then make sure you are following me on all my other socials. I will link all those down below as well. And while you're there, if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up, leave me some love in the comments, and if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to see all of my unboxings, try-ons, hauls, vlogs, all the fun, affordable makeup, affordable skincare, affordable style. Like, I'm all into it, and I feel like Ipsy really gives you that affordability with these boxes because you pay one set price and you get a great value of items. So thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.